Alright guys, welcome back. This is Motovlog episode 2. I actually have to redo this intro here because I forgot to make the intro. So anyway, I'm gonna install some spools today. I've actually already installed them, but I forgot to introduce the parts I bought so far. So these are the spools. They're by Driven, I think. That's the brand. Driven Racing. I'll have links for these stuff I bought. The Loctite, I got the blue one, and this is a T handle, which is like 5 millimeters. And I also bought myself a R7 keychain because I was using a different keychain for my bike. If you saw my previous video. Okay, first of all, this was a pain to cut open. I almost like lost everything. All right, so it's just gonna go like this. I'm gonna put some Loctite in here. I hope you guys can see it, but okay, it's dripping. Alright, man. So I'm gonna go here in the very front. Okay, so it says just that's pretty good. Alright. I guess the recording stopped. Sorry about that. Anyway, I just installed the first one. We're gonna go to the other side here. I need this piece. This goes in the very front. Let me get my tool. Need this guy here. I'll have the link for all the tools you need to get this done, but this is not a hard installation. It's a good thing. It says just hand tight. Torque it with your strength. That's pretty good, man. Let's do it one more time. Alright. There it is. Alright, she's up and about. That's pretty cool, right? Alright, man. Okay. I think I'm gonna take a break before I do the oil change because I'm tired. My knees hurt. All this bending down, doing this stuff gets me all tired. And it's really hot and humid today. Alright, until the next video, which will be the oil change. I got the oil pan right here. I do have all the supplies, but I just need a break. Thanks for watching, man. Peace.